Okay, so we have this problem. Mariana has 6 apples. She wants to share with her 2 friends. How many apples does each friend get? So when you want to draw the problem here, you have to ask yourself if you have to divide into 2 groups or you are dividing by 2's, okay? In this case, you're going to divide in 2 groups, okay? Because you're talking about 2 friends. So the name of the bar is apples, okay? Remember that all of the bars must have a name. And you begin always the division problem, the division bar with the total. In this case, the total is 6, right? The total is 6 apples, right? Okay, 6 apples, right? Now you're gonna divide those 6 apples in 2 groups. This would be one friend, and this would be the other friend, right? So then what you have to do is to divide 6 in 2, right? 6 divided 2, and the answer is 3, right? Okay. Now you're going to see the other way, that is when you divide by 2's. Now pay attention to how this problem is written, okay? Now it says Mariana has the same 6 apples, but this time she wants to give 2 apples to each of her friends. How many friends does Mariana have? Here, you don't know the number of groups, okay? You know the number of elements in each group, in this case 2, but you don't know how many groups. The question here is you are dividing by 2's, okay? By 2's. So the name of the bar is apples again. Sorry, my handwriting, sorry, that is terrible. You begin in division always with your total, that is 6, or the greatest number, if it is a division problem, the greatest number, right? But here, pay attention, you're not gonna divide into groups. You're going to divide by 2's, right? So this is gonna be one friend, and like that until you complete the 6 that you have here in total, okay? So this is one friend, this is another friend, and this is gonna be another friend, right? So how many friends does she have in total? Well, 3. Sorry, the name of the problem is friends. Friends here, sorry, I made a mistake. It's friends because friends is what we are trying to find out, how many friends, right? So as I was telling you here, you're distributing by 2's. You're not dividing in 2, but you're distributing or dividing by 2's, okay? So what you have to ask yourself is, in the problem, if you're going to divide in certain number of groups, or if you're going to divide by certain number of elements, okay? So I'm going to say it in Spanish so you understand. Una cosa es dividir en 5 y otra cosa es dividir de a 5. Cuando tú dices divido en 5 es porque tienes 5 grupos. Cuando tú divides de a 5 es que cuentas 5 y armas un primer grupo. Cuentas otros 5 y armas otro grupo. Cuentas otros 5 y armas otro grupo. ¿Ok? So here are the 2 ways of how to divide how to draw the bar modeling for the 2 ways of division. Please let me know if you understood. If not, I will help you a little bit more with this topic, okay?